In this video, we are dealing with attendance, submission of assignments, and grading. Now let's see how to mark the attendance for students. So click on Create, Question, Attendance. In the Instructions tab, mark your attendance, and you need to check here whether multiple choice option is being selected. Option 1 present, option 2 absent. And here for points, I am giving 1 point for attendance. I am giving this to all students, and the due date is, I can type the due date as 1st June, and the time is 1 p.m. I am taking a class on Introduction to SPSS, so I have selected the topic as Introduction to SPSS, and here I need to, so the document is already saved, so I am clicking on Ask. You can schedule the attendance sheet too, so now I am clicking on Ask. So the document has already been gone to the email of all students. So now in the next session we are dealing with the Students tab. The student has opened his email ID, so when he opened his email, he can see assignment number 1 and new question, attendance. So he goes to his classroom and he can see these things in his classroom. So now let's see how he can give answers to his assignment. So here the upcoming events are mentioned here. One assignment is pending and attendance is pending. So first I click on assignment, and if I have done my work, I can add my document from here. Click on File, and I am selecting my document which contains answers. So this is my file, Henrik assignment 1. So this document is selected, and as a student I am uploading my assignment or the answers to the assignment. So once the uploading process is completed, I can click on Turn In. One attachment will be submitted for assignment 1. Turn in. It means I have submitted my assignment. And the next one is attendance. So I have, as a teacher, I had asked the attendance of all students, and there are 2 options for that. If I have seen this before 1 a.m., June 1st 1 a.m., I can click on present. It means I have accessed the classroom and I have seen the assignment or the study materials and all. So I mark like this: present, turn in, and if I need to give any private comments, or I want to discuss something with my teacher privately regarding the classroom or regarding any topics, I can type my message over here and the teacher can access the same. And now as a student I am going back to my tab. All my classwork for the day Now we have returned to the teachers portal, and we need to check whether the assignment has been submitted by the student. When we click on assignment, we can see that one of the students have handed in the assignment, and that is Henrik Larsen, and Steve Thomas did not submit the assignment till late. So I can see the answers over here. When I click on that, I can see the answers. So after viewing the assignment, I can give the marks. So here it's a demo document. I'm giving 90 on 100 and clicking on return. So student will be notified and can check any marks you have left. So I click on return. Now the student will get the notification in his classroom, or he will get an email as a notification about the assignment. We have given him 90 marks out of 100, and I have added a private comment as well, so he will be notified about this comment in his email. And let me go back to my teachers portal. So here I will click on marks. I can see that I have given 90 marks for Henrik Larsen, and I have not given Steve Thomas any marks because he did not submit the assignment till late, and the class average is 90. So once more students submit the assignment, the class average will change, and that's how we give grades to students.